What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today, guys. I'm back. If you're here for the first time, please, right now, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? All right, guys, I'm back. I am back. I've got to tell you guys about this super duper training that I just experienced. And yes, I just tapped into one of the trainings that's in IPS, the copypastemethod.com. The link is in the description. Go check it out. But I've been meaning to tap into TikTok marketing, okay? I've been saying for months that, hey, I'm going to go check it out, see what it's all about, but just haven't got around to it. So finally, I decided to go ahead and do that. So I just want you guys to see, though, when you go through the training that you get in the copypastemethod.com system in your members area, this training, okay, is effective. Okay, I've been saying that for some of the other trainings that they have, but I have personally tapped in to TikTok marketing. Okay, now let me say, I'm an expert in a lot of things, but I'm a novice with TikTok. But it's okay, because of the training that I have here, I was able to upload a video and get some views like that, guys. And I've got a lot of leads that have come in from just a simple video. Now, so what I want to first say, though, definitely go check this out. I'm going to show you the 3 products that they have in this particular training here. Okay, and you're able to earn commissions as well. So you're able to learn, you want to apply what you learn, and then earn you some commissions. Let me show you these products real quick, and then I'm going to show you some results that I got from the training from the TikTok marketing. Okay, so let's check it out. All right, real quick, let's go check this thing out. You get this nice website. It's only $25 one time. Okay, this is a one-time investment with this program. There's no monthly fees. Just make a one-time investment, get your training, and you just start applying what you learn in your training, okay, with these 3 steps here. Now, this website comes with your picture on it, which you just saw. It has my social media link to it, so people can reach out to me if they have any questions. Now, here's 3 products. Now, the product that I'm speaking of is TikTok marketing. It's in the pro level. Okay, and yes, there's a lot of different trainings out there that claim they can train you on some of these social media platforms, but are they really effective? Well, let me tell you, this one is definitely effective. All the other trainings are effective that they have in here, but I personally stepped outside of my comfort zone because I never tapped into TikTok marketing. Okay, so I did tap into it. As you can see right here, it's in the pro level. Okay, so you can earn commissions, guys, selling these digital products. Digital products is where it's at. Okay, you can go online, sell other people products. I prefer digital. Okay, these aren't physical. People will get access to them as soon as they, make their purchase. They sign up with you. And you're paid instantly. You can make $50, $150, or $300, depending on which product you sell. Okay, so I'm a pro level member, so I can earn all 3 commissions. So $325 will get you all in. Okay, so definitely tap into this. Okay, so I tapped into the TikTok marketing. I loaded 2 videos. Let me show you guys real quick. You definitely want to get this. This is super exciting, so I'm definitely going to be loading more. Let me take you over to my TikTok account. You'll see it's brand new. Okay, now check this out. I signed up, and you see I only got 2 videos on here. Okay, 2 videos. Now this first one I loaded, I did not follow the training. I just wanted to get something up, and I just wanted to see what it was going to do, right? So as you can see, let's click this one. I'm going to show you, being transparent. Okay, right here, a week ago. See, a whole week ago, and I have 224 views a week ago. Okay, but once I tapped into the training, Check this out. Once I really tapped into the training and said, let's follow what the training tells us to do. Okay, on here, and I didn't even show my face. I haven't loaded this video up yet, but I'm going to. Check this out. Look at this. Let's move this over. 2 days ago, you see that? It says 2 days ago. Okay, I'm brand new to this. 2 days ago, and I already have 132 views on that one, and it took this one a week to get 224, and I didn't really know what I was doing. So now that I know what I'm doing, I got more views, and I got somebody that's following me. Okay, so you guys can tap into this. This is what it's about, getting exposure to your business opportunity. Okay, that's the name of the game, guys. Get exposure to your opportunity, and then people will start to follow and like. And I've seen some leads come in through my capture page, okay, from those videos I've posted. So I will be posting more, okay. So that just shows you right there, because a lot of times people go, oh, you already experienced with all these things. Well, guess what? I'm new to TikTok, okay, and I just got it started, and I'm already getting views and leads from just those 2 videos. But you can see the difference. The first video, it took a whole week to get 224 views. 2 days, I got 132 just from applying this stuff. So what I did on that second video is I went here and I watched the training and I followed the steps on what she told us to do, okay, and then I got better results. Okay, so this is definitely another method, another platform. It's free to tap into with whatever your business is you're promoting. Tap into TikTok marketing. Okay, so this is very effective. It's something in here. I'm not going to display what it is, but it's some great training in here that really is what got those views popping. So I got the secret sauce, and it's in this training. So I will be dropping more videos on TikTok. But guys, check this system out. Let's go back over to the products again really quick. Get started. Start earning $50, $150 or $300 commissions any way you want. You can list up to 3 payment processors. They don't specify how you get paid. You decide that, okay? So once someone hits that buy now button, you're paid instantly. All right, so how much do you want to make? $50 a sale, $150 a sale, or $300 per sale? And as it states, there is no monthly fees with this. Okay, make a one-time investment. Now for everybody that joins me at that pro level, I am going to run a solo ad for you guys so that you can start getting some traction into your system, start getting some leads looking at your system. And then you want to have a capture page. Let me show you the one you can get for $19.95 a month. Okay, and that way we can run the traffic to that capture page, and then the autoresponder will follow up with those leads on your behalf. Let me show you the page. Hang on a second. Okay, this capture page right here, guys, is $19.95 a month. It comes with the autoresponder already included. When people opt in, they're going to go right to your IPS sales page. Okay, so this is the page you want to give me your link to. I'll run some traffic to this particular page right here, and we'll start getting some people looking at your opportunity. Okay, and then you want to apply some of those trainings. Okay, that's in your members area, whether it's TikTok or posting the ads, Craigslist, whatever it is, Facebook, YouTube. Apply this training. It does work. I'm here to tell you. I just showed you guys proof of that. Okay, and get started. Okay, so you're able to make $50, $150 or $300 commissions instantly with this system. It's digital training. Learn. Okay, you want to learn how this is done, but you're using free methods. Okay, free marketing. Okay, free marketing strategies. Okay, on how to post on social media. I mean, you get the ad copies, you get the pictures, you get everything you need to run your business effectively. All right, so with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, guys, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.